Hi everyone and welcome back to Island Scenics. My name's Tim. Now in this video we're going to install some Gaugemaster DCC Autofrogs onto the ON30 layout. So let's get on with the video. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell button to be notified for upcoming videos here at Island Scenics. Okay, so the idea of these Autofrogs are to attach them to my points, and what they do is that when the train runs over the points, instead of shorting, which sometimes happens, within nanoseconds the Autofrog will switch polarity of the switch to allow smooth running. So to do that we're going to need to install these on all of the points I've got on the layout, and I'll just do a quick short video, this one, on how I've done that. Now the points that I am using are the Pico Streamline OTEC 16.5 ON30 narrow gauge points. These are fantastic and came straight out of the packet. We're pretty much doing no modifications at all. All that we really got to do is, as you can see here and here, is isolate the frog, because this part being the frog is all electrified. So that's the only part you need to do. Now, these points are fantastic when they come straight out of the packet, and as long as you don't do any weathering or ballast into them. They've got nice little clips just down underneath here that when switching the point, they slide underneath the metal rail and give a good connectivity. But as soon as we start ballasting, adding glue, adding weathering, paint, bit of dirt over time, this starts to fail as usual. So here is the Gaugemaster DCC Autofrog, or Digital Frog Polarity Switch, whichever you want to call it, it's the same thing. Now very simple and very easy to install. Over on the back here, the chipboard, you have got 3 points where you put wires. You've got 1, 2, 3. So this one here at the top, or the bottom, whichever way you want to turn it around, is labelled F. Now that is for frog. And then you've got R written on both of these. Now it makes no difference whether you put the red line or the black line on either side of these, as long as the left and the right goes to the opposite side. So we'll install that onto the point. So first of all, I'm going to install the red and black wire, literally on these 2 parts here. So what I'm going to want to do is, first off, tin the wire like so. And then attach to, as easy as that. We'll do the same with the red. This one we would have had a little bit on there, a teeny bit to the wire. And once again, just like so. Now I'm going to show you the installation on this point because it's a lot easier to see on camera. Now, because this point's already installed, I need to connect my blue wire that I'm using for my frog to the frog, which is this part here. So I'm going to have to drill a hole down through the baseboard, just down here. That's simple. And then feed some blue wire through and solder to the frog. Now that I've fed the blue wire from the frog down through the baseboard, I'm going to attach it to the juicer where it says F. Now that all the soldering's done, I get myself a small screw and attach this to the baseboard. And as I said before, I then get me red and black wires down here and I attach them to my bus just here. Now the job of this Autofrog here is that if the train runs over the switch or the point and the polarity is incorrect, within a nanosecond, instead of shorting out the train, stopping it and then get it going again, it will just switch polarity and your train should run smoothly. So I'm going to install these around the rest of the layout area and hopefully have smooth operations. Okay, so to test this out, we have the shay running up with the switchback. And it's just about to cross over the point where we've got our Autofrog. And as you can see, it runs really, really smoothly over it. As we switch the switch and it makes its way back over, if there was any shortages, the Autofrog will be doing its job. So as you can see, this is going to help with smooth operations. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Big thank you to all my subscribers and a massive thank you to all my channel members where their names will pop up just about now on the side of the screen here. Until next time, guys, take care and we'll see you soon. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell button to be notified for upcoming videos here at Island Scenics.